Where you going, little son? You show Grandma how you can walk? You want to do that? Oh, what's going on? What's that? Whoa! Where you going, Mr. Mochila? Mr. Comida turned Mr. Mochila. Whoa! Whoa! You're just all over the place, little mijo. People, let me tell you about my best friend. His name is Brayden. He's my little son, and I love him so much. That's you, mijo. Stand up. You can do it. You can do it, son. Stand up. Here. What's going on? You going poo-poo? What are you doing? There you go. Come here, son. Come here. Come here, Brayden. Come here, son. Yay! Oh, I had to rush you because I was afraid you're going to fall into the table, but you did it. Now I can show Grandma you walking. I love you, son. You're the best. Oh, that's Grandma's remote, though. I'm going to have to take that one. Can I see that one? Pretty please. Mijo. Little Beezy. What are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna stop this in a couple of seconds. We gotta post this one. All for all the paparazzi out there. Little mijo.